Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at something that might change how we travel in cities forever, the ehang EH216S. This isn't science fiction, it's the world's first certified pilotless air taxi and it's already flying in multiple countries. The EH216S is an electric aircraft that can take off and land vertically, what experts call an eVTOL. But what makes it truly special is that it flies without a pilot. Instead, it uses advanced autonomous systems to navigate safely through the air while carrying 2 passengers. This aircraft is made by ehang, a company based in China that's leading the way in urban air mobility. Think of it as a flying taxi that doesn't need a driver. Getting any new aircraft certified is tough, but the EH216S has achieved something remarkable. It's received 4 major certifications from China's Aviation Authority: a type certificate, production certificate, airworthiness certificate, and air operator certificate. In simple terms, this means the design is approved, the manufacturing process is approved, each aircraft is safe to fly, and the company can operate it as a service. These are the first such certifications for any pilotless passenger aircraft in the world. This isn't just a prototype sitting in a hangar. The EH216S has already completed some impressive real-world tests. In Japan, it flew between the islands of Ihaya and Noho, the first time an autonomous air taxi has connected islands like this. It also recently completed its first flight in Mexico, which brings the total number of countries where the EH216S has flown to 19. That's global reach that shows this technology is ready for prime time. Ehang isn't just testing. They're planning commercial operations. Thailand is set to see commercial flights next, which will be a big step for the country's urban air mobility plans. Imagine hopping across Bangkok in minutes instead of sitting in traffic for an hour. Currently, the EH216S can fly about 22 miles or 35 kilometers on a single charge. That's enough for most urban trips. But ehang is working on solid-state batteries that could increase flight time by 60 to 90% compared to current lithium-ion batteries. Would you be willing to fly in a pilotless air taxi? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content about emerging transportation technologies. See you in the next one.